Good morning, children, and welcome back to your English online classroom. In today's session, I am going to narrate you a beautiful story. Before starting, let's go through the warming up session. You can see world famous personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam, Abraham Lincoln, Charlie Chaplin, and Kalpana Chawla are mentioned. You can see these all have come from humble surroundings. They were not very rich, but with efforts, hard work, passion, they grabbed the opportunities and become successful persons. Such persons' biographies really inspire us to go through the hardships and reach to our goals. Children, while comprehending the story, you need to give your mind to the new words, phrases. As well, we'll learn the importance of values like kindness, honesty, and patience. Importance of belief in God. One should have faith, not blind faith. As well, we'll study the another literary term, plot of the story. As well, the theme. Now let's start with the story, children. The name of the story is Dick Whittington and His Cat. It's a folk tale, 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 that is story from London. It was in the early 17th century. Richard Johnson in Ballad of 1612 mentioned a cat who made Whittington his fortune. Today we will deal with first half of the story. The main characters in the story are Dick, an orphan boy, Mr. Fitzwarren, a rich merchant, Miss Alice, and the captain of the ship and the cook. The story begins in the rural setting of southern England, where an orphan Dick used to live. People used to treat him unkindly. Unkindly, and the opposite of that is kindly. That is somewhere you will find the likeness of kindness. One day, Dick overheard that the streets of London are paved with fine gold, and he decided that he would go there and pick up his fortune up in gold pieces from the streets. He had an innocent thought: once he would become rich, people might treat him more kindly. Children, overheard means to listen accidentally. Okay? Some two other people are talking and you listen accidentally, that is overheard. And fortune means large amount of money. So he set out to walk to London, but fortunately he met a carter who inquired where was he going? Was he running away from his house? And then, after, he offered him a lift to London. When he came to know the boy is homeless and wanted to seek his fortune in London, and the beginning and the journey began. They arrived in London before nightfall. Time in the evening when it gets dark. That is, we can say the beginning of night. The carter left him there and made a way to an inn. Here, children, we can see likeness of kindness, as the carter knew he was an orphan as well homeless, but still he left him alone. Dick was in dismay, that is, in disappointment, because he couldn't see any fine gold on streets but were full of dirt and unfriendly people. The streets were paved with gold, actually. It means abundance of opportunity of earning and prospering. He successfully found out an alley where he could possibly wouldn't harm. What is an alley? A narrow passage between or behind the buildings. Next morning, obviously, Dick, that poor child, woke up cold, miserable, and hungry. He wondered and begged for food, but instead food, he got scoldings and angry blows. At last, hunger went unbearable, and the poor child collapsed in the street, too weak to look further for food. Too weak to look, that means very weak that he cannot look for food. But see, God is very merciful. He had some other plans. For Dick, he was noticed by a rich merchant, Mr. Fitzwarren. The cook of the house was a cruel one. She tried to drive him away, but when Fitzwarren saw he is homeless, needy, and is ready to work, he offered Dick home food and work. The life took another turn. Though he got living and food, but the road further was tough. The cook was very unkind. The attic given to him was full of rats and mice. At night they used to scamper all over him and kept him awake. Attic, a very small room inside a pointed roof, and scampering, that is to run here and there. But problems always comes with solution. So to get rid of that rat infested situation, this child bought one cat from the paid tiny amount by Fitzwarren. Few pennies, a small British coin, you can say 100 part of a pound. And with this, the cat made the place peaceful. But the atrocities of Cook were increasing day by day, and which was not at all easy to overcome. To overcome means to manage to control or defeat. The cook was too bad tempered. She was very short tempered. She used to shout, she used to scream whole day, and she used to scold and hit Dick with a wooden spoon, though he was working as hard as he could. Children, here the story takes worst turn that Dick decided to leave that place. And early in the morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune. But God had another plans for Dick. After walking a little far away, he sat down on a stone to rest. It was 1st November, All Saints' Day, and the church bells were ringing. But he could listen in the church bells a message. Turn again, Whittington, the worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. It means the church bells were giving the message that Whittington, you are a worthy citizen of London, and one day you will become Lord Mayor of London. Listening to this, Dick decided to go back to Miss Mr. Fitzwarren because he really wanted to become a Lord Mayor of London and to ride in a fine coach. And for that, he could put up with a few scoldings from the cook. To put up means to tolerate. So they retraced their steps to Miss Fitzwarren's house. Luckily, no one noticed them. They were able to slip back before they had been found missed. Cheer, children, here we completed with the first half of the story. Next lecture, we are going to next lecture we will be going on an adventure to find out how a poor hero become the Lord Mayor of London. Summary: we learned about an orphan boy who went to London to seek his fortune. We learned about the atrocities faced by him as well about the prophecy of church bells. We learned with patience one can come out of rough waters. One should be honest, hardworking throughout his her life. Wisdom is better than strength. Trust and belief in God must be there. Okay, and about the plot we will discuss in the second half, but let me introduce what is plot. Plot refers the story line, text, sequence of events in story or drama. Elements of common plots are introduction, exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. In the light of these elements, we'll discuss the plot of the story and the theme of the story at the end of the second half of the story. So, here we conclude, children. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.